One of our followers sent in a money confession this month. All right, here we go. So, when I was in college, I was encouraged to take out more in student loans for living expenses. Now, I'm struggling to pay off an overwhelming student loan. In hindsight, I should have looked for alternative ways to cover living expenses. This is common with a lot of people, right? With student loans, we often don't have kind of the education or maybe familial knowledge of how to take out student loans in a responsible way. Most of the time, it's looked at as good debt, and certainly can be, right, an investment in your future and your education and your future earning potential. But if, like me, you were a first-time college student, so I didn't have the experience of my parents to tell me, this is how you fill out the FAFSA, this is the amount of loans you'll take, this is your future earning potential. So let's think about what this payment's going to look like with your income when you're in the job market. What's so important is that we use the tools and resources that exist. Now, that doesn't do those of us now with much good with the student loans that we have. So if you're struggling with student loans right now, and I know a lot of people, especially with, the payments not being paused anymore, there are some new options. And so studentaid.gov, a great resource to go and find out what the different repayment plans can look like for you. Again, there's some new options. There's a save plan that can make it more affordable, those income-based plans. So definitely use that resource, go there, check that out, see how you can fit that in your budget. If you need help doing that, Apprisen has free student loan counseling where we can walk through those options with you. So that could be a really good tool for you to use.